So I got really lucky and James let me borrow his Corolla GR, and I could tell you this is a really fun car. It's really light on its feet, and I love that it's turbocharged. It's got about 300 horsepower from a 3-cylinder, but the really neat thing is that it's all-wheel drive, and with the push of a button or a turn of a button, you go from 50-50 power distribution on the drivetrain or 70-30. It's really cool, and I think there's like another one too, 60-40 I think. But this car is really neat. I really like it. Just driving the manual again feels so good, but really excited to try it out, and I really think it's a cool car.